Hello everyone, here I have developed a Streamlit application that is the API test generator. So this is to generate the API test scripts, and that is based on your selecting the which test methodology. We have the behavior driven development and also we have the test driven development. And if you are selecting the BDD, you can specify the feature file, and if you are selecting the TDD, you can choose the programming language which you want to generate the code. Okay, so we have support C#, Java, JavaScript and Python, and after that we can provide that file name. Okay, so here we have the default file name added, and so here we have the instructions how to use these tools, and you can enter your test requirement in the text area, and that is this text area, and we can select the test approach. Okay, so like a BDD or TDD we can select, and if it is TDD then you can choose the preferred programming languages, and you can provide the customized output file name also. Okay, just click on the generate test, it will create the file. Okay, so and here I have one example. Generate an API test for the following APIs. So this is a post request, we can see, and this is the endpoint, and we have the base URL, request body, and we have the expected status code. Okay, and also I'm saying validate the response contains the creator user details. So this is just a sample requirement, and you can specify here. First you will see how this will work for the BDD, and just select the BDD and click on the generate button. So here you can see generating your test. Okay, so what it is doing is it will analyze the requirement which we have specified here, and based on that you will create a feature file. Okay, so here this is the background, you are using the AI model. Okay, so here you can see the feature is created with scenario. Okay, so that is to create a new user and given, and then and I have given this URL, and when I post this with this request body, then we'll have the response. Okay, and also we are checking these fields. Okay, so if you want to download, you can just click on the download button, and we'll get the feature file. Okay, so you can open the feature file in your using your ID. Right now I just open using the VS Code. Okay, so this is one of the feature file output, and now let's see how this will work for the TDD. And here I am going to select the programming language as C#, then just click on the generate button, then you can see that generating your test cases. So the same requirement. Okay, same requirement. If you are using a C# programming language, you can choose that, and you just click on the generate button, and also you can specify your own output. Okay, the file name. Okay, so here this will analyze the requirement and it will create. Okay, nice. So this is created using an unit framework, and we are using C#. Then this C# we can use the REST # for the API testing. So this is structure of that API for test method, and here you can see. So this is captured the request URL to create the client, and based on that it will create the request. Then we will execute that. We will get the response. Using response we are asserting all the details. Okay, what are the details we mentioned for checking, right? All details are created, and you can download the test scripts as well here. Okay, so I just opening using the VS Code. Now you can see the code. Okay, let's see how this will work for Python. Okay, so in the interest of time, just click on the generate test, and I just selected the language as Python. So we'll see this will create the test scripts. Okay, test scripts for your requirement, and that is for API testing. So here you can see the Python code also is created. Okay, nice. And we can use the request package for creating the API object for testing. So here we have the test method, and also we are creating the object, and we are requesting that request body. Here you can see, and this is a post request, and we will get the response. Based on that we will do the assertions. Okay, so here this is the Python file. Okay, and now just see how this will work for JS. Okay, JavaScript, and now I just hit on the generate test. So this will create the test script in the form of a Java script for your specific requirement. Okay, nice. So here actually we are using the JavaScript, the Axios. So Axios is a package that's available in JavaScript. Then we are using that. We can create the test method. We can specify the request body. Using the Axios object, we can create the instance, and it will initiate the session, and we will get the response. Using the response, we can do the assertions. Okay, and here also we can download that JS file. So here we can see how it looks like the script. So this is the symbol script, okay, that is created. And now finally we'll select the C#. C# we already selected. We will go with the Java. Just click on the generate test, and we will create the output. Okay, so in case of Java we will use the rest assured. Okay, and this will determine and analyze the requirement, and based on the selected programming language it will create. Okay, nice. So here you can see using the rest assured this is created. We are specify the base URL endpoint, and the add before class we are using the testng, and you can see that before class is specified, and we have the test methods, and we are defining the request body. After that so the rest assured will support the BDD format like a given when then. So here we can utilize that. Okay, then just click on the download button. So here also we can see the Java code is downloaded. Okay, so this is the way we can generate our test scripts, okay, for BDD or TDD formats. Thank you.